Yes, it's time for another cookware confession. You guys know I got the Balti and how I wanted a different one. Well, I have a confession to make, and it's in this box. Join me while I tell you what I did. Hey cooks, actually today I have 3 confessions because I neglected to do something and then I did something. Actually, I did it twice. So one confession is I'm making to Eric, right? So you guys know that I wanted a Balti, and a Balti is a pretty cool piece of enameled cast iron that you can cook a lot of things in. There's particularly a dish that you can make in here. I think it's called chicken Balti, right? It is a cute little cast iron pan. It has these turned up handles. I wanted one of these. I wanted a Le Creuset version of it, but they were always $300-$400. And so I didn't want to, I wanted to do that, but I just never bought one, right? And they went out of, they discontinued them. I couldn't find them. You could get them on eBay and stuff, but people wanted extremely high prices for them. They were very hard to get. So when I was on Amazon, if you guys remember the video, I bought a Balti. I initially bought one that I thought it was flame color because I wanted something that would confuse me into believing that I got the Le Creuset, right? When I got it, it wasn't flame. It was more like brown. So I decided to return it, and I bought this one that was blue, and I like it fair enough. I like the blue. It's a pretty color. Unfortunately, life got in the way, and I failed to return the first one. It just never made its way into the car. I actually submitted the thing for the return, but I never put it in the car, so I never returned it. So I still have this one, supposedly flame Balti, and I guess now I'm the permanent owner of that because I didn't return it in the time allotted. So I've used this a couple times and I really like it. I make taco meat for tacos. I put it on my little propane burner and I use this thing it seems like every time I turn around I'm using it. But there was still something in the back of me that I was like, I want the Le Creuset. But I know that it's discontinued or probably is discontinued, and I didn't think there was any way I was going to get that. Well, one day I got a lot of emails, like 10 emails or messages or whatever, saying that the Le Creuset factory to table sale was going on, and usually it's in a city, so you got to go to that city to get it, but this time they had an online version, and on that online version was the Balti, right? It was in a lot of different colors. It was available, and I believe the price was $105. So guess what? Amy ordered the Balti. So after I empty this box, I have a confession to make to Eric.
Obviously.
He knows about this one.
I saw another box. I don't know what's in it.
I think along the way I will find somebody who will enjoy my Amazon Balti as much as I do, and I will pass them along to them. So I will make someone happy with the other Balti. It's just not gonna go to, I'm not gonna use it kind of thing. I actually could use it, use that just for outdoor and use this for indoor. Right?
I'm not an idiot. I don't need a bank account.
Oh, look at I know a lot of people, they don't get rid of these boxes just because they're like, oh, I got the Holy Grail, right? Lifetime warranty. Okay, so what happened to my other Balti? Okay, Balti number 1 is back. So we're going to sort of compare the two and see what Le Creuset does that others don't, right? So here we go. Here's our little beauty. Here's our beautiful little pamphlet. And here's our beautiful little Balti. It's beautiful. I love it. So, one of the things I can say is it's slightly smaller than the Amazon Balti. This one's a little bit bigger. This is, oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. One of the things I can say is it's really hard to tell, but this seems like really glossy on the inside. The enamel coating or whatever they use over the enamel, it seems like Le Creuset enamels it and fires it, and that's it. This one here, it looks like it's enamel, but there's like this shiny coat over. The enamel's like really shiny. This is like more flat. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but oh my gosh, it was worth the wait for the Le Creuset. I absolutely love this thing. So, what do I have to confess to Eric about?
What's in that other box? So, Boo.
What?
What's behind box number 2 or 3 here?
Box number 2, Balti just has a friend, right? Because, you know, the price was so good.
Okay.
The price was like $100. These Baltis are like $300. And the price was literally $105. And I knew there wasn't a chance because they discontinued the Balti.
So are you saying we got twins?
Would I do that?
I don't know.
Balti Jr. I bought 2 Baltis. I bought 2 Baltis. 2 Baltis. So, cooks, I got the true blue flame, the true flame Balti. The Le Creuset is in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. And it's in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen twice. I got my Balti.